Hola, buenos días. Soy Ruth, and today I want to show you one of my favorite sources of language. It is the scripts that you get from Netflix through Language Reactor that you can download en español y en inglés next to each other on a table, and you can have a look at them. The reason that I like the scripts from Netflix, for example, well, they're available, is because they have spoken language. So it's not narration, it's the things that we say to each other. And I love the phrases. I'm going to show you those in just a moment, en un momento. My favourite type of show to work on this with would be the period dramas. Because they have full sentences, they finish their sentences, they're not full of obscenities, and the language is just gorgeous. Let's have a look. This one is from Downton Abbey, the first episode, el primer episodio de Downton. I don't watch this en inglés, I don't watch this kind of thing en inglés, pero en español me encanta. And this is why. We have frases así. Mira, Dios mío. I want to highlight it. Okay, Dios mío, a lovely phrase. No es posible. Ahora mismo means right now. Great phrase. No seas estúpido. I probably wouldn't say no seas estúpido because I regard referring to people as estúpido as very insulting. But there it is, you have it if you would like it. Es demasiado temprano, it's too early. I would definitely use that. How about this one? Por una vez en mi vida, me gustaría dormir hasta despertarme sola. I wouldn't have known exactly how to say that, but there it is. And that's something that I could say to myself cada mañana. Bueno, los miércoles me despierto sola. Tengo suerte. Then we have lots of vocabulario about have you lit the fire, has encendido el fuego, things that we might not do every day. Madre mía, esto nunca se acaba. Oh my, this is never ending. That, I think a lot of us have that thought about maybe dishes, washing, ironing. Madre mía, esto nunca se acaba. Very useful. You see how beautiful this language is. Then we've got fuegos en los dormitorios, todos encendidos, no muy útil. Y look, cuando acabes, vuelve inmediatamente. When you finish, come back straight away. Vuelve inmediatamente cuando acabes. And this one, muy útil, date prisa. Date prisa. How about this? Have you seen William? So that's how we say it in español. ¿Sabes algo de William? Sometimes, because the dubbing is so good and they want the words to match the movements of the mouth, the translation isn't exactly. So they're saying any sign of William on the translation. But really what they mean is, have you seen William? ¿Sabes algo de William? Bueno, llegas tarde. You're late. If I say you're late, I wouldn't say that to anyone. I wouldn't dare. No me atrevía. I wouldn't dare. Muy útil. How about this one? Es obra del diablo. It's the work of the devil. El chocolate es obra del diablo. Sí, porque me gusta mucho, pero no es bueno para mí. Es obra del diablo. You could use that. You could talk about whatever it is that is your Achilles heel. Es obra del diablo. There are 57 pages of this, and this is just one script. I've altered it a little bit just to, give you indications about where we are and what the action is, because la acción te da mucho de la historia. So a little bit of a heads up. Pero si tienes Netflix, también puedes mirar después. I'm going to put this as a Word document on my website so you can download it. You can highlight the phrases that you like. If I zoom out, you can see just in the first few pages, in the first couple of pages, there is so much lenguaje que es muy bonito, que es muy útil, que tú puedas usar. Entonces, imagínate cuánto habrá en 57 páginas. Mucho, ¿verdad? Have a look at it, enjoy it, and then go to your own favourite show. I do recommend period dramas, and download the scripts that you like. Maybe you could share them with us. Muy bien. I hope that this has given you good ideas for how to estudiar un poco más de español independientemente, and in a way that you can really disfrutar. I can't publish this because obviously it's copyright, but I can pop it on my website. And nos vemos en la próxima. Hasta entonces, adiós.